Right. देखो, today we are going to the kinetic theory of gases. Okay. First, introduction of molecular nature of atom. Molecular nature. Next, what is atom? What is atom? Can anybody tell me what is atom? This is like atom. The picture is given on the screen. Yes, particle of a matter. As electron clouding are consisting of the atoms. Okay. It cannot be seen with the naked eye. It can only seen with the microscope. Only we can see the atom in the microscope. Okay. This is the microscope. Okay. Let us cut an apple into a small pieces till it is individual. Okay, invisible. Okay. Thus the invisible particles are called atoms. Okay. If we cut apples in invisible parts that we cannot see in our naked eye, then this particle is called the atom. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Next. Okay. Everything is made of the atoms in our body and this table. Okay. Chalk, pencil, blackboard, etc. is consist of the atom. So the atom is the smallest particle of every object. Atom is the smallest particle of every object. Okay. Actually, the atom is the Greek word. It means the uncut or invisible, indivisible. Next. It is everything that's made of apple. Is everything made of apple? Atoms. Is everything? No. Just everything is made of the molecules. This is very important questions. Everything made of molecules. Confusion. Actually, the molecule is the made of the atom. Molecules is the made of atoms. মানে আমরা বলতে চাইছি অ্যাটমের যে স্মলেস্ট পার্টিকেলগুলো আছে সেইগুলো হচ্ছে মলিকুলস। মানে একটা অ্যাটম তৈরি করতে গেলে আমাদের মলিকুলস ফর্মেশন হয়। একটা অ্যাটম তৈরি করতে গেলে আমাদের মলিকুলস দরকার হয়। ওকে, নেক্সট। অনন্যা এসছে? অনন্যা আছো? অনন্যা আছো? ওকে, বুঝতে পারছো তো? ওকে, নেক্সট one. Let us see the sentence. We are learning. Okay, this A, R and E. Let the sentence is R is the word. Okay, and this is the combination of the letter is R, A, R, E. Okay, where the smallest the word is given here and the letter is the molecules and the word is the atoms. Okay, next. Water is made of the molecules. By the water molecule is made of the atoms. Like this. Okay. Okay. Next one. H is the hydrogen atom, O is the oxygen atom, and here two hydrogen atom are and the one oxygen atom combine to the form a water molecules. So atom join together to form the molecules and the molecule join together to form the object. Okay, this is the diagram. Now let me explain how to atom bond together to form a molecules. Like this. Okay. Next one. Electron keep revolving in the shell in the outer nucleus. Let's first shell electron is 2, second shell is electron 8, third shell is electron 18, and fourth shell it will be 32 electrons. Okay, and the picture is given here also. Okay, the electron in the outermost shell of the substance of the electrons is called the valence. Outermost electrons. Outermost electron is called the valence electrons. Outermost electron is called the valence electrons. Next. Just a minute. Okay. Oxygen has 6 valence electron in its the outermost shells. Okay. In its outermost shells. Okay. The oxygen has 6 valence electron in the outermost shells. Oxygen atoms is given here, and a hydrogen atom and a hydrogen atom also. It needs two electrons to gain stability. Similarly, the oxygen has 1 electron and its valence electrons contain electrons from the hydrogen combined to the oxygen to form a water molecules. MCQ. Are the smallest particle of the atoms? Who is this? Atoms, sorry, atoms of এটা আমি একটু এখানে ভুল বলেছিলাম যে মলিকুলসটা সবচেয়ে স্মলেস্ট হয়, সরি ওটা অ্যাটমসটা সবচেয়ে স্মলেস্ট হয় আর মলিকুলটা অ্যাটমস দিয়ে মলিকুলসটা ফর্মেশন হয়, এক্সট্রিমলি সরি। নেক্সট ওয়ান, সো দ্য অ্যাটম ইজ দ্য স্মলেস্ট পার্টিকেল অফ এভরি অবজেক্ট। নেক্সট ওয়ান, the atoms are combined to form a dash and the molecules combine to form a dash of which one? Molecules. Atoms are combined to form a molecules and molecules combine to form a object. Okay, this one is given here. Next one, a state of matters. Let's search how the molecules became matters. What is matter? Matter is the present everywhere around us, from a solid under our feet to the star above, and the matter makes everything. Matter is everywhere. We eat, drink, and like this. The matter is vibrate as well as the atom is also matter in vibrate, and that is what is? That is the motion as electron revolving around the nucleus. Next one, which structure? This is a solid matter, liquid matter, gaseous matter, and plasma. Okay, this is solid is low temperature, and the temperature increase solid makes to the liquid, and also it is the gaseous, and last high temperature it goes to plasma. There is 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gaseous, and plasma state. Next, let us some example of solid. This is solid example. Okay, solid. This is solid example of solid. Okay, next, this is solid example. Some example of liquid. This one. Okay, this one. Next, some example of gases: LPG gas, helium gas, spray gas, etc. Next, example of plasma. The gas is in a discharge tube welding across the lightning and aromas at the upper atmosphere in the ionosphere, the star and the sun, solar wind, intershell, gas cloud. This is the example of the plasma. Okay, like this. আমাদের সানের মধ্যে থাকে, স্টারের কাছে যেটা থাকে সেইগুলো সমস্তগুলো প্লাজমা স্টেটে থাকে। নেক্সট ওয়ান, ওকে, let us first learn about the solid. What is solid? This is the solid molecule. The molecule is very close to each other. Okay, the molecule is very close to each other. In solid, the molecules are tightly packed, and why they are have the definite shape. They cannot be squashed. Okay, solid are rigid. A rigid body if we consider, then it will be almost solid. It cannot be flow but are visible. Like this, flow means that liquid can flow and solid cannot be flow. Okay, exceptional as liquid. The molecule in liquid are far apart from each other. They are molecule গুলো, তাদের molecule গুলো দেখো একটু দূরে দূরে থাকছে. The molecule are far away from the each other. The intermolecular space is more than the solid. Intermolecular space is more than the solid. Okay, they have not defined shape, definite shape, but they have defined volume. Hence they take part the shape of the container. Next, gases. The particles in the gas are not close to each other. They are further apart like the liquid. লিকুইডগুলো, লিকুইডের পার্টিকেলগুলো মানে গ্যাসের পার্টিকেলগুলো লিকুইডের থেকেও দূরে থাকে। ঠিক আছে, গ্যাস আর নট রিজিড, দে ক্যান বি viscous or compressed, they are invisible. Okay, gas not be fixed shape or not a fixed volume. That fixed shape means তাদের কোনো নির্দিষ্ট কোনো ভলিউম বা শেপ থাকে না, যে কন্টেনারে রাখা সেই কন্টেনারের শেপ অ্যান্ড সাইজটা কন্টেন করে। The force among the particles are tight and therefore they can freely move. Sorry, tight na loose, sorry. মানে তাদের মধ্যে যে ফোর্সটা থাকে, the force is very small to each other. Okay, so they can freely move. প্লাজমা, এটা তোমাদের এখন দরকার নেই। ওকে, সো জাস্ট আমি স্লাইডগুলো দেখাচ্ছি। ওকে, ওকে, not shells, solid, liquid and gaseous state. Please take a screenshot, every students. Okay, please take a screenshot. Just a minute. Okay, please take a screenshot. Solid, they are rigid, fixed shape, fixed volume. Liquid, not rigid, not fixed shape, fixed, not only fixed volume. Okay, gases, not fixed. Okay, they can be squashed. Next one. The one thing is common among the solid, liquid and gases is they all of are consist of particles. Okay, solid, liquid and gases, all of particles. Okay, energy like heat changes the state of matters from solid to liquid and gas. দ্যাট কি বলছে, এনার্জিটা দিলে সলিড থেকে লিকুইড, লিকুইড থেকে গ্যাস আর গ্যাস থেকে যে কোনো একটা ফর্মেশনে কনভার্ট হতে পারে। নেক্সট ওয়ান, E equals to mc square. Albert Einstein give the equation for energy and matters. They do not change their state unless certain external force such as heat is supplied. তারা কখনো তাদের স্টেটটা চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে না, they cannot change their state or যতক্ষণ না unless the certain external force is given to the system or supplied to the body. Which of the following is the property of the solid? Which of the following is properties of the solid? Next, properties of solid: it rigid, not be viscous, cannot be flow, not be viscous. All of this I think so. Okay, next, which of the following is property of gas? Okay, not rigid, can be compressed have fixed shape and fixed volume? Only A, B. Okay, option D. Next one. Behaviors of gases. The gases is consist of huge number of particles, okay, and their motion is random. The particle can vibrate to each other, and all atoms are vibrated. The gas consists of the large number of molecules, okay. They are always random motion and move all possible direction with their possible velocities. তাদের যে কোনো ভেলোসিটি নিয়ে পসিবল ভেলোসিটি মুভ করতে পারে in all direction, possible direction. Next one. The average distance of molecule can be traveled without collision is called the mean free path. Okay, this is called the free path, and average of this free path you can say that this is mean free path. And what is the expression of the mean free path? What is the expression of the mean free path? What is the expression of the mean free path? What is the expression of this mean free path? Is defined as lambda I, and it is defined as root 2 n d square into pi. This is the expression of the mean free path. Okay, where n is the number of particles. This is the expression of the mean free path. Okay, students. Actually, this is called the free path, and this is if we consider the n number of particle and their distance covered between two collision is lambda 1, lambda 2, and dot is going on, and after average of this value, this is called the mean free path. Mean means average. Okay, next one. Okay, next. Mean free path. The distance traveled by a gaseous molecule between two successive collision is called the mean free path. This is lambda equals to total distance traveled by the gases or molecules between two successive collision and number of collisions and total number of collisions. Okay, the atoms are more free in gases, can travel long distance without collision. If they are enclosed, they are not enclosed, and gas is spray out. Okay, in the solid and liquids, the intermolecular force is long ranges attraction and short ranges repulsion force. Long ranges attraction and short ranges repulsion force. The gas is fully activities and equilibrium is dynamic onwards. Okay, the dynamic equilibrium, the molecule collides and change their speed during the collision. Only the average velocities are constants. Average velocities are constant. Since the gaseous molecule are in motion, they passes the kinetic energies. They passes their kinetic energy. Since the gaseous molecules are in motion, if gaseous molecules are in motion, they passes their kinetic energies. Okay, kinetic energy means half mv square. This is half mv square. I think so everybody knows it. Half mv square. If the particle is in motion, that is, if has some velocity, then there will be kinetic energy. And what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? Kinetic energy equals to p square by 2f. If the momentum it changes and it gives the double, momentum is double, then kinetic energy will be how many times? Kinetic energy will be how many times? It will be 4 times. Okay, double means 2 square. 2 square means 4. Next. The theory which explains the macroscopic parameter of gas in terms of microscopic parameter like speed, mass, momentum and kinetic energy is called the kinetic theories of gas. Is called the kinetic theory. They have also repeated the theory which explains the macroscopic parameter of gases in terms of microscopic parameter like mass, momentum, kinetic etc. is called the kinetic theory of gas. MCQ. The gas molecules in random motion, so they possess kinetic energy, and sum of kinetic plus potential energy we call the mechanical energy. Okay, but the object is in motion, then get the kinetic energy also. The average distance between collision without travel without collision is called the mean free path. Distance means free path it will be. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the first slide. Okay.